We are here today with our 2015 Chevy Silverado, and we're going to change the oil and install a new air filter, so please enjoy. So there's the drain. So this one is to drain the transmission. This one's to drain the oil. This is a 14 millimeter. It's not the right size. This is a 15. Oh, was it 15? This is a 15 millimeter, and it fits like a baby. Snug as a baby in a bed. So, it's of course not a 1/2 inch drive, so I have to go get a different ratchet.
Oh, is it gonna come out towards us?
Most likely.
All right. I'll be.
It's not hot at all. So.
I know. I'm still gonna back up.
Come on. I need a bigger size. And here we go. Bigger ratchet. Same size.
Try going the other way.
It's lefty-loosey.
Okay.
There we go.
All right.
Broke it loose.
Sometimes just put it on there super tight. All right.
It's gonna come out quick. You ready?
Yep.
Okay, I have the thing ready.
Right there. Dang, Ben cranked that on there, didn't he?
It made him.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea then.
Wow, what a useful tool. She be coming down. And I can't get this thing off. It's okay. We'll clean up all this.
Take it off while you're...
You can't.
No, take off the filter.
Ooh.
So you got the tool off, now you just need to get that...
Well, no, the spinny thing is still on there.
Uh-huh, yeah, I know, but take off the oil filter right now.
That's what I'm trying to do. Oh, it's running down my arm. I hate it. I hate the feeling. It's terrible.
It's okay. It's not the end of the world. You can wash it.
Oh, it's terrible. Oh, it's a terrible feeling. Oh, look at it. Oh, I'm dying. I'm bleeding to death.
It's okay.
Come on, baby. Wow, this is thick.
Watch out, it's gonna keep dripping down your arm.
I know. It's okay.
Those wounds are
How far is it going? Oh, okay.
Yep, you're done.
Hold on. It's okay. I'll be fine. Woo! Okay, there we go. It's off now.
What do you know?
Will you go grab me a shop towel, please?
Yeah.
You're gonna be in the bag over there.
Camera.
You can just take it with you. It's okay. Oil. You have the tool on there. You're gonna take it. I'm gonna pour a little bit into the filter. No, that's too much. See, I put too much in. Don't do that.
How do you know if it's too much?
If it overflows. It's not supposed to be rocket surgery. Because rocket surgery, rocket science.
I get it. Because this isn't rocket science. This wouldn't even be close to science. This would be surgery.
I guess it would be surgery, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Now, I've got new filters on there. It's kind of dirty. It's okay. One filter. Now we grab the 1/2 inch.
Where's the 1/2 inch?
I don't know.
What'd you do with the 1/2 inch?
Hiding from me, okay?
Is that it right there, covered in oil?
Maybe. Put this on.
Jeez, Dean, come on. Keep track of the tools.
I'm trying.
You're not doing very good.
Oh,
Do
so
better.
Cool. Hand me another.
Shop towel?
Yes, let's go ahead on right here. These shop towels, buying these was a great idea. Baby up, pour the oil in, change the air filter, we'll be done.
Alright. Probably need to grab some more gloves, but whatever. Those bandits staying on good?
I'm just not using that hand.
Alright.
You absolutely have to.
Dean's struggling to use the tools a little bit, like always.
I gotta use that hand because I want it to be tight. Let's get it. Clear to start, big one?
Clear to start?
Yeah, first. Okay, now you're gonna go watch the drips.
All right. Hold up, did you put the oil cap back on? All right, looking good. Ready, start. You're good. Yep. Looks good. Looks good.
Check down there. There's a lot of verifications to be done. So, grab the handy dandy
Shop towels.
towel. There's a lot of oil down there. This is why Jiffy Lube makes all their money, because people don't want to make a mess in their garage.
Yes, but making a mess in your garage can save you a lot more money.
Very true. I'll take my dipstick here. Rest of it, see?
Hey Dean, you're a dipstick.
Put that one in there.
Oh, can your hands not reach it?
See? Okay, we check the engine oil level. And we are a tad bit low. We could add a little bit.
Well, that's good.
So that's why we're gonna add a little bit.
Do you want me to go down and look?
Uh-huh.
Alright.
Make sure, I like
Are you going to start it up again? Alright.
I like to be very thorough. You're supposed to say ready oil.
Ready, oil?
Yes. Ready oil. Okay. Adding oil, babe one.
Alright.
You're so used to saying, here we go, adding oil, I'm adding it. So here we go. Nothing?
Nothing. Looking good.
Everything's all tight. Okay.
On tight.
That's the
Looking
first
good
quart.
still.
That's the very first quart, and then we should only need one more 5-quart jug, and that should be fine.
Looking good.
Okay, adding all the oil now.
Add oil.
So it's air filter filters all of the air that goes into the engine that's being compressed. And we have a K&N filter, it's gonna allow for more airflow, almost as if there's not even a filter there. And it's reusable, it has a 1,000,000-mile warranty.
Here, Dean, hold them up again. Hold them up again.
I know, I'm opening the back package.
Super dirty. I mean, all you have to do is look in there. So that's what it looks like, you know, for the most part clean. And that's it dirty. So we got the new one. This one's super clean if you can't tell. It's brand new. We just took it out of the box.
This is the recharge kit.
Oh.
So we have cleaning oil, and we have the oil. So we're taking some of this oil, okay? Take a light.
Ben's calling you.
Too busy. Take a light. Here's your phone light.
Light.
And we'll go out in the snow.
Lights. Camera. Action.
So we're just gonna take it, and you just put a nice even layer of air filter oil on there. Not too much.
Probably asking if you can hang out.
I'm too busy.
Yep.
There we go. See? You can get dust and debris on there. I'm gonna take the filter and put it like so. Nice and secure in that air box.
Don't drop another screw.
Oh, I won't. every single window mirror has been first cleaned with the glass cleaner, then with Rain-X, and then on the interior we cleaned it with glass cleaner, and then anti-fog. We went a little bit over the top. We checked the oil level, it's all good, everything's great. So that's the end for this video.